Biology. Microscopic pond protist rewrites near-universal genetic stop signals. Researchers discovered a protist that uses unique genetic codes to signal gene endings. This organism challenges the near-universal biological rules by redefining how DNA translates into life's essential proteins. On the positive side, this discovery forces a fundamental rethink of the supposedly fixed universal genetic code across all Earth's lifeforms. On the other hand, skeptics may argue these are isolated evolutionary anomalies rather than evidence of a broader biological paradigm shift. Space science. NASA successfully tests powerful new lithium-vapor electromagnetic thruster. Engineers at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory tested an experimental engine fueled by lithium vapor. Driven by intense magnetic forces, the thruster achieved record power levels essential for manned Mars exploration missions. On the positive side, advancing high-energy propulsion technology is the most viable path toward shortening hazardous deep space travel for humans. On the other hand, critics emphasize that managing molten lithium at scale presents extreme engineering risks for long-term space mission safety. Medicine. Trojan horse obesity drug outperforms current GLP-1 treatments. A new drug uses GLP-1 signals to deliver metabolic enhancers directly into target cells. In trials, it increased weight loss and improved blood sugar more effectively than existing medications at lower doses. On the positive side, targeted delivery reduces systemic side effects while increasing efficacy, marking a new era in metabolic health treatment. On the other hand, some experts worry about the long-term metabolic impacts of supercharging cellular receptors beyond natural physiological levels. Physics. Scientists measure pressure of individual particles for first time. Using a tiny bead suspended in light beams, researchers successfully measured the force exerted by single particles. This breakthrough could facilitate the detection of elusive, sterile neutrinos and other dark matter candidates. On the positive side, this unprecedented sensitivity provides a new experimental toolkit for solving the most stubborn mysteries in particle physics. On the other hand, translating these lab-scale measurements into a functional dark matter detector remains a massive and uncertain technical challenge. Climate science. Amazon rainforest tipping point predicted for the early 2030s. New analysis suggests that 15% of Amazon loss, combined with 1.5 degrees Celsius warming, could trigger irreversible dieback. This shift would transform the carbon-absorbing rainforest into a dry savanna within a decade. On the positive side, establishing a definitive timeline creates the necessary political urgency to halt deforestation before the ecosystem collapses entirely. On the other hand, climate modeling of tipping points is notoriously complex, and some researchers argue the 2030s timeline is overly pessimistic.